November 6, 2025, a Russian FPV drone, positioned in standby mode along the Sumy route, immediately activates its engine and takes off toward Ukrainian pickup trucks as soon as it detects their movement. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more updates. November 6, 2025. An FPV drone targeted and struck one of two soldiers positioned at a Ukrainian armed forces trench in the Sumy region. November 4, 2025. Attack units of the Ritchery Regiment, part of the Central Group, carried out a powerful strike that blew up the headquarters of the Ukrainian armed forces. In the Kharkiv region, the Froto crew of Russia's 68th Motorized Infantry Division, part of the Leningrad Military District, has earned a reputation as one of the division's most lethal and efficient strike teams. Footage from recent operations shows the crew executing ambushes with ruthless precision, using terrain advantage and coordinated firepower to intercept Ukrainian armed forces convoys. Cargo trucks and armored vehicles are caught in kill zones, destroyed before they can react. The Froto crew operates like a well-oiled machine, silent, deliberate, and merciless. Their tactics combine traditional infantry discipline with modern battlefield intelligence, making them a nightmare for advancing units. Ukrainian troops caught in their path face overwhelming force and almost no chance to respond. In this area, the Froto crew doesn't just fight. They dominate, turning every encounter into a demonstration of tactical brutality. November 6, 2025, UAV operators assigned to the southern military region carried out a precision strike on an enemy shelter, neutralizing the personnel inside. November 6, 2025, in the MNO area, northwest of Pukovsk, FPV drones detected and destroyed Ukrainian armed forces equipment and artillery units moving toward their positions. A pickup truck towing a howitzer, along with the howitzer itself, was completely destroyed. November 4, 2025. A Ukrainian truck attempted to evade a pursuing Russian FPV drone. When escape became impossible, the driver exited the vehicle and tried to flee the area. The outcome of the incident remains unconfirmed. In the area near Kupiansk, a Russian reconnaissance FPV drone suddenly spotted 4 Ukrainian soldiers running close to a group of buildings. Reacting instantly, the drone accelerated toward them, weaving through debris and urban cover. With high-speed precision, it locked onto the nearest soldier and struck, its payload detonating on impact. The remaining soldiers scattered as the drone's silent pursuit turned into a sudden, violent encounter. The scene highlights the growing lethality of drone warfare, where mere seconds decide survival. In a close-quarters engagement, a Russian soldier targeted a Ukrainian position with a grenade launcher, striking at short range. The blast disrupted the defensive setup, but at least one Ukrainian soldier was reported to have survived the impact. The encounter underscores the brutal intensity of frontline combat, where survival often hinges on seconds and cover. November 6, 2025, Russian air forces employed precision-guided munitions to strike the command center of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 77th Airborne Brigade in Bohuslavka. The impact was direct and devastating, neutralizing key communication hubs and disrupting command operations across the sector. November 6, 2025, the Russian Air Force carried out strikes on Ukrainian troop deployment points in the areas of Konstantin and Norad. According to the initial footage, the first strike was conducted using a Garin UAV, while the second involved a precision-guided FAB bomb equipped with a UMPK kit. Both attacks targeted concentrations of personnel and equipment, leaving little chance for the enemy to regroup or retreat. November 6, 2025, a high-precision missile strike targeted the temporary deployment point of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 57th Brigade in Vovchansk, completely destroying the position. Meanwhile, northern UAVs engaged and destroyed a Ukrainian armored personnel carrier in the Kharkiv region. Additionally, several American-made M113 armored personnel carriers were destroyed in multiple strikes carried out by FPV units of the Leningrad Military District's 6th Army. November 6, 2025, an Iskander-M missile strike was launched against Ukrainian Armed Forces air defense systems in the town of Zalysnik, Sumy region. The target was directly hit and destroyed. In Havlovka, within the Dnipropetrovsk region, Ukrainian positions were hit as Russian forces targeted strategic infrastructure. Factories and military facilities were struck with precision, sending plumes of smoke into the sky and disrupting logistical support in the area. The damage dealt a significant blow to defensive operations, altering the tactical landscape overnight. Archive footage from Gostomel shows Rosgvardia Special Forces in action during the early phase of the conflict, demonstrating rapid deployment tactics and close-quarters urban combat. The unit, part of Russia's National Guard, played a critical role in securing strategic assets such as the Antonov Airport, a key objective near Kiev. The footage depicts armored vehicles advancing through smoke-filled streets, troops breaching buildings, and coordinated maneuvers carried out under heavy fire. These scenes capture the intensity of the battle for Gostomel, one of the war's most decisive early engagements where airborne units and special forces clashed in fierce, close combat.